Yatra nagyastu pujyante ramante tatra devataha yatraitastu na pujyante sarvasatra palaha kriyaha. The divine are extremely happy where women are respected, where they are not, all actions are fruitless. Such was the respect that was given in the ancient India. And it's sad to note that such suffering is happening right now in this Kali. But this Maitri organization is doing a wonderful job uplifting all the survivors, gender, it's not gender biased, but all the genders. And we are very happy, extremely happy to have done this benefit show. It was so humbling. It changed my perspective, both for the love of art and for the love of doing good. I have to thank a lot of people to bring this to this state. You wouldn't believe that on February 28th there was hardly any money that I could promise Maitri that we will give anything, because that was the first meeting I had with all the volunteers how we are going to pull up the show. And I think it is the divine's grace. It is the highlight of this event, which is the sweetness, compassion and empowerment. The compassion from each and every one of you who contributed to this cause. Come what may, it has been pouring with the power what I could do. I'm not saying we have done, it's each and everyone's compassion, each and everyone's contribution that encouraged Harshita and me. It changed our perspective. I have no inhibitions to go and tell anyone and everyone, can you please donate for this cause? And we are doing this benefit. So I'm very happy to call Sonia Telia from Maitri as a board member, and I would like Harshita to just announce how much we collected through this event. She will be presenting this to Maitri. So we collected around $6,000. Each and everyone's contribution. You don't know how I collected the compassion. Like I had a friend, I have to mention. We keep meeting. She just gave on the spot. You know, she didn't even think. I know you've been telling her. She just gave. I cannot forget. And then there were Kanta ji and her husband, who were very old people, who came home. Very old people, but he was so busy organizing this or something. So I asked me. They came home and collected the tickets to support this cause. And each and everyone, if I forget anything that I mentioned, I'm sorry about it, because too many things happen. But I'm very happy that to be presented. They had done a benefit. They had done some fundraiser before, and I told Nandini, she is an amazing person to talk to, because even to get the Maitri logo, they did not lose their integrity. Don't think they were very clear that you cannot, I learned. I said, no, I'm genuine. I want to do this for this cause. We want to do for this cause. It is not, it's neither like, because of this, then, no, it's not like that. The art is also very giving. We have a quote from Natya Shastra which says sharing the art form is also the highest form of charity. And these are great things that I've learned from my guru. So something related to that which motivated me to bring to this. Not me, but everyone's contribution. I humbly thank you. I would like to encourage you to give a small part to Harshita.
Oh, it would be my absolute honor.
He just says,
This is really how the community changes. When people take on a responsibility, take on a personal passion, and we can just change the world. I don't know why we think we couldn't, but this is how we will change it.
thank you. And this was designed by my adult student and a very good parent, Hema Sundar Kumar. We have the Madhurya Shauryam, both Lord Krishna and Goddess Devi. Thank you, Hema. We will move on to the show.